Starting your own professional YouTube channel requires some investment, as you'll have to purchase a variety of different equipment that lets you make high-quality videos for the world to see. Audio quality is equally as important as video quality, and if you're looking forward to launch your new YouTube channel on a professional basis, a dedicated microphone is a much-needed investment for ensuring great audio quality. There are plenty of options that you can currently choose from, depending on your budget and quality requirements. 1. Blue Yeti. The reputation this thing has alone gives confidence to mention it. Although the price point isn't necessarily cheap, the quality it delivers for competitors in its range is unmatched. It comes with a 16-bit 48 kHz resolution and the option to choose between 4 different polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional elements that will give you versatility and excellent results if you intend on either using it in different applications or want to mess around with the feel of it. The microphone comes with a built-in headphone amp that has great gain, which will provide you the option to monitor results without latency. For easy and intuitive usage, right on the microphone, you have the controls for mute and gain control. The USB microphone comes with a little stand and the option for folding that will enable easy positioning and transport. Another convenient detail that makes it one of the best YouTube microphone choices is its compatibility with both Windows and Mac. It's amazing for vlogging, commentary, and more. We even know some who record their songs with this thing. If you're looking for an immediate answer to the best microphone for YouTube and need a USB mic for the types of videos you'll be filming, you should definitely consider the Blue Yeti. 2. AudioTechnica AT2020. It can be connected to a PC via USB. It is compatible with any models of sound cards. With it, you can record a clear sound. This model is recommended by many YouTube bloggers. The cost is quite high. To buy such a device makes sense if you intend to seriously develop the channel and monetize it. AudioTechnica AT2020 is a high-quality cardioid condenser microphone. Its movable membrane is created to provide high dynamics and frequency range. The microphone perfectly withstands high degrees of sound pressure and has a linear frequency response, which undoubtedly makes it a universal studio microphone, one of the best in its price segment. The microphone is good at using home and project studios. Sturdy mount for the rack is in the kit. In additives, you can also utilize a windproof and a shock absorber. 3. Snowball USB microphone. Consider this to be a much more affordable alternative to the hugely popular Blue Yeti. If you're pretty tight on budget, the Blue Snowball immediately becomes an obvious choice. The microphone is mostly built out of plastic with a metal grill. In a move to keep the cost down, there are 3 recording settings located on the back of the microphone. Users will be able to easily switch between cardioid with -10 dB pad, and omnidirectional polar patterns. Additionally, the microphone has a sampling rate of 16-bit at 44.1 kHz and a frequency response ranging from 40 Hz to 18 kHz. For an asking price of under $70, the Blue Snowball is an inexpensive microphone. While using the cardioid mode on this microphone, you seem to get the full frequency response. However, the omnidirectional mode seems pretty hard to recommend as the audio becomes tiny and unpleasant to hear. If you're not planning to use the inferior omnidirectional mode, you could save $20 by going for the lower-end Snowball ICE microphone. All in all, the Snowball manages to check most of the boxes expected from a microphone at this price point, and it's well suited to podcasts, vocals, interviews, and other voice work. 4. Apogee Mic Plus. The Apogee Mic Plus is another one of the best microphones for YouTube if you're at or near a desk and a USB mic is what you're after. It will deliver excellent quality of sound, very similar to what you can expect in the studio. A few musicians use this for some vocals or acoustic recording. It connects to Windows and Mac devices as well as any smart device with a 3.5mm, which will enable easy recording of some high-quality external sound for those videos regardless of what you're using. You can get away with using it with cameras as well, perhaps just not outdoors. For technical specs, it is equipped with a cardioid polar pattern and an easy USB connection for great plug-and-play ease of use. You have up to 96 kHz 24-bit HD recording, pure digital connection, and combines a microphone preamp, and AD converter into one device. What also qualifies this microphone as the best mic for YouTube is its versatility for different types of voices and uses. 5. Shure PG27-USB. PG27 USB digital condenser microphone with a single 1-inch diaphragm cardioid pattern and built-in USB interface. The sound is digitized next to the capsule in the 24-bit 48,000 Hz format, which delivers high-quality audio to the computer and protects it from spurious radio signals and electrical interference. The microphone's own noise does not exceed -78 dB, which corresponds to the level of professional studio microphones. The microphone housing has a 3.5mm TRS connector for headphones, which makes it possible to monitor recorded audio in real time, as well as volume controls for headphones and for recording. The microphone is powered by USB, 5 volts, while the current consumed does not exceed 500 mA. The LED indicator indicates the level of the signal. The green color ranges from -30 dB to -12 dB, the yellow from -12 dB to 0 dB, and the red color indicates that the level is exceeded by 0 dB, which indicates the clipping. A microphone diaphragm with a diameter of 27mm is made of mylar gold-plated foil, which avoids the sticking of the capsule even at significant sound pressure levels, while maintaining a remarkable sensitivity. Structurally, the capsule is fixed to an anti-vibration suspension and defended by a metal-dense mesh, which additionally protects the membrane from air currents and mechanical damages. The microphone is widespread in the home and semi-professional recording studios for such purposes as voice scoring, podcast recording, video blogging or streaming, and professional recording studios for recording live musical instruments and voices. This model is quite popular for recording videos for YouTube, but because of its price, not many will want to buy this microphone. 6. Sennheiser MKH416 Shotgun Tube Condenser Microphone. The Sennheiser MKH416 is considered to be the industry standard, as it's preferred by film producers as well as some of the popular YouTubers for their videos. That being said, the MKH416 is a shotgun microphone, and like several other shotgun microphones, it's capable of picking up audio from the front very well, even at longer distances than traditional microphones. The Sennheiser MKH416 makes use of RF biasing rather than DC biasing, unlike conventional microphones in the market. It's less susceptible to pop sounds and proximity, which is to be expected from a microphone at this price point. Sennheiser ensures high sensitivity and very low inherent self-noise, which is much needed for a production-grade microphone. If you want your voice to sound absolutely crispy and detailed, this is without doubt the best investment you'll make for your YouTube channel in terms of audio equipment. However, to be ready to burn a hole in your pocket, as it costs nearly $1,000 in order to get your hands on one of them. 7. Focusrite Scarlett Studio Pack. Coming in as the best YouTube video microphone combo package, the Focusrite Scarlett Studio Pack is definitely a favorite, not only because of the quality it brings, but the money you'll be able to save if you needed headphones and an audio interface as well. It is equipped with the famous Scarlett 2i2 audio interface, which works as not only some preamp and phantom power for the mic, but also a unit to keep your numerous ins and outs handy. You can adjust gain on there too. In terms of the microphone, it isn't necessarily a fancy studio quality beast, but is a viable condenser microphone that comes with everything you need for up to semi-pro quality recording. That will up the ante for any type of YouTube video audio. You are lastly getting some monitor headphones, which are arguably mandatory for a produced sound quality check. They're comfortable and get the job done. The Focusrite Scarlett Studio Pack can be connected to either Windows or Mac for technical freedom, and in the package, you will also get a helpful low-noise mic cable for interface and mic connecting. This may be the perfect solution for you, while for others, a bit too excessive. 8. AudioTechnica ATR 3350 Omnidirectional Microphone. Moving away from the plethora of condenser and shotgun microphones on the market, we've now got lavalier microphones, also known as lav mics or lapel mics. These mics are more versatile and well suited to being used along with DSLRs for interviews, public speaking, and broadcasting purposes. They're also pretty affordable compared to other types of microphones. The AudioTechnica ATR 3350 microphone seems to lead the pack in this department, and this one is an omnidirectional microphone. It has a frequency response ranging from 50 Hz to 18 kHz and has an open circuit sensitivity rated at 54 dB. In terms of sound quality, the ATR 3350 delivers a flatter sound compared to several other lavalier microphones. However, the mic sensitivity is low, and thereby you need to boost up the signal before it sounds true to its potential. In addition to being used along with cameras, it can even be connected to your smartphone for much better audio, just in case you're planning to vlog. Lastly, what impresses us most is the ATR 3350's price tag, because at under $30, you just cannot go wrong by opting for this lavalier headphone. 9. Samson CO1U Pro. A budget representative of studio microphones connected via USB. It comes with a special noise suppression program. The widespread development of podcasting and the growing interest in audio-video blogs have led to the need for high-quality audio products. CO1U Pro perfectly meets all the requirements for creating high-quality audio material. CO1U Pro is the dream of any podcast. Thanks to a simple USB connection to record video on YouTube, a minimum of space and equipment will require, and records will always be of the highest quality. CO1U Pro will make you noticeable and recognizable in the world of podcasting and online journalism. 10. Samson Meteor Mic. Samson Meteor Mic USB microphone is a practical accessory for recording studio quality music and voice clips at home. The model belongs to the products of the Samson Technologies line and is a technological development combining high sound quality, affordability, and attractive external characteristics. The device can easily be connected to a computer via universal USB port, or necessary software will be installed automatically by the operating system. A special highlight of this model is a retro-style design with a characteristic elongated body and a tripod holder. The capsule is equipped with functional metal grids, which provide damping of vibrations of incoming sound. Stand in the form of a tripod is omnidirectional stable, which provides maximum comfort during operation. The durable wear-resistant chromium-plated material additionally gives the microphone shine and elegance. The internal part of the device contains a condenser mechanism with an impressive diaphragm 25 mm in diameter, the shape of which is represented by cardioid. Such a diameter and shape allows you to achieve rich sound during recording. The reproducible frequency range is designed for optimal auditory perception in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. High sound characteristics also provide sensitivity with an index of 120 dB. The output produces a CD quality sound with a sampling rate of 44 or 48 kHz. The signal is digitalized from passes through the USB device in the representation of 16 bits. For the level of overload, there is an indicator that, if necessary, delivers a light signal.